Hi, you are watching channel Maths and Maths Academy. In this video, we are going to factorize an expression which is x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 minus 3. This is actually the expression of type x plus a into x plus b into x plus c into x plus d plus k, where a plus b is equal to c plus d. So when we take a look at the expression, we can understand that this 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 2 plus 3 is also equal to 5. So we will pair these factors and we will write x plus 1 into x plus 4, then x plus 2 into x plus 3 minus 3. Now we will multiply. So it is x squared plus 4x plus x plus 4 and x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 minus 3. Now we simplify x squared plus 5x plus 4 into x squared plus 5x plus 6 minus 3. Now you can see that the first two terms in both the brackets are same. So what we will do here, we will assume this part of bracket equal to some other variable, say y. So let's say y is equal to x squared plus 5x. So we will replace it in the given expression. So the expression will look like y plus 4 into y plus 6 minus 3. Now we multiply these two brackets. So y squared plus 6y plus 4y plus 24 minus 3. Now we simplify it. Y squared plus 10y plus 21. So let us factorize it. It's a quadratic expression, so either we can factorize it or we can simply solve it with the help of quadratic formula, but let's solve it using factorization method. So what we can do here, the coefficient of y square is actually 1, and what we will do, we will multiply it with 21. So 1 into 21 is equal to 21. Now we will make all possible pair of factors for 21. The first one is 1 into 21. The second one is 3 into 7. Now we have to choose one out of these where the sum will be equal to 10 and the product will be equal to 21. Obviously this is the one, because 3 plus 7 is equal to 10 and 3 into 7 is equal to 21. So this is this is 21 here and this 10 is here. So let us replace 10y with 7y plus 3y. Okay, so y squared plus 3y plus 7y plus 21. Now y is common in the first two terms and 7 is common in the next two terms. In both the cases we get y plus 3 inside the bracket. So now we take y plus 3 as common. So the second bracket will be y plus 7. Now we are going to replace the value of y which we have assumed in the beginning, which was x squared plus 5x. So it will be x squared plus 5x plus 3 into x squared plus 5x plus 7, which is the answer of this question. So that's all for now, and until the next time, please take care and bye.